Glasbeno društvo Krešenda je leta 2017 začelo s cikli koncertov na Škofjeloškem gradu. Pevci in inštrumentalisti Krešenda so združili moči in pripravili zares velik koncert. Ker nam letos situacija ne omogoča, da bi pripravili koncert tukaj na tem mestu, smo za vas pripravili nekaj posebnega. Upam, da boste uživali v današnjem online koncertu in se ponovno spet vidimo leta 2021 tukaj na Škofjeloškem gradu.
The name on everybody's lips is gonna be Roxy. The lady raking in the chips is gonna be Roxy. I'm gonna be a celebrity, that means somebody everyone knows. They're gonna recognize my eyes, my hair, my teeth, my boobs, my nose. From just some dumb mechanic's wife, I'm gonna be Roxy. Who says that the mother's not an art? And who, in case she doesn't get, can say she started with a bang? Roxy Hart. Roxy, things of those autographs I signed. Good luck to you, Roxy. And I'll appear in a lavalier that goes all the way down to my waist.
Here a ring, there a ring, everywhere a ring-a-ling.
But always in the best of taste.
Giving up her fun from life,
I'm gonna be
Roxy. She made a scandal and a star.
and Sophie Tucker, and shit I know to see her name get built below. Roxy Hart. I'm a star, and the audience loves me, and I love them, and we love each other, and that's showbiz.
Dober večer na prav posebnem koncertu, ki vam ga tokrat strežemo kar v udobje domačega naslanjača. Koncert iz karantene do Grajske arene nas bo danes popeljal na 3 sicer že tradicionalne grajske koncerte glasbenega društva Krešendo. Uživajte!
Waves are dancing to the sun. Take the tide and face the
Počasi se premikamo po naši zgodovini koncertov. Začeli smo z Roxy, ki nas je ogrela na prvem koncertu na Škofjeloškem gradu leta 2017. Pravkar smo slišali irsko skladbo Mogile Mer iz predlanskega koncerta. Naslednja pa nas bo z Lenartom Sušnikom popeljala med evrovizijske uspešnice iz lanskega koncerta.
Vse, kar mi ostalo je, par spominov, upanje, njena slika pred očmi nikoli ne zbledi, le žari. Tisočletjo čakal bom, na kolenih prosil bom, naj usmili se nekdo, zakričal bom nebo, ljubim jo. Naj bogovi slišijo, naj usmili se nekdo, zakričal bom nebo, ljubim jo. Naj bogovi slišijo, da mi je hudo, rešite me, ne moram brez nje. Da mi je hudo, rešite me, ne moram brez nje. Umira mi srce. Umira mi srce.
Muzikal West Side Story, navdihnjen z zgodbo Romea in Julija, nas popelje v New York City v 50. leta prejšnjega stoletja, v vojno dveh tolp, jetsov in šarkov, ki jo zaplete ljubezen. Glavna ženska protagonistka muzikala pravi I feel pretty in se tako tudi resnično počuti.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and bright. And I pity any girl who isn't me tonight. I feel charming, oh so charming. It's alarming how charming I feel. And so pretty that I hardly can believe I'm real. Feel like running and dancing for joy, for the love, for your beauty, wonderful
Have you met my good friend Maria, the craziest girl on the block? You'll know her the minute you see her. She's the one who is in an advanced state of shock. She thinks she's in love, she thinks she's in pain. She isn't in love, she's merely insane. It must be the heart or some rare disease, or too much to eat, or maybe it's fleas. Keep away from her, send for Gino. This is not a Maria Reno, modest and pure, polite and refined, well-bred and mature and out of her mind.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty, that a city should give me its gift. A committee should be organized by honorary.
La 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 la.
I feel dizzy, I feel sunny, I feel fizzy and funny and fun, and so pretty. Miss America can just resign.
La 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 la.
See the pretty girl, that mirror there.
What mirror
Look
where?
at that attractive compere.
Which what where whom?
Such a pretty face, such a pretty dress, such a pretty smile, such a pretty beard. I feel charming,
Charming,
entrancing,
entrancing,
like running,
feel like running and dancing all alone. Oh, you pretty, wonderful boy.
Od muzikalov pa nas bo pot vodila na prostrane travnike Irske. Danny Boy je prečudovita balada, katere besedilo je nastalo v sredini prejšnjega stoletja, a melodija izvira iz skrinje tradicionalnih irskih skladb, ki smo jih krešendovci prepevali na koncertu leta 2018.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen. sleep in peace until you come to me.
Leta 2019 smo se podali v zgodovino slovenskih evrovizijskih uspešnic. Na današnjem koncertu se bomo sedaj ustavili v letu 2017, ko nas je na Evroviziji v Ukrajini že drugič po vrsti zastopal Omar Naber s čudovito skladbo On My Way.
You've all been very kind, but I made up my mind. Now I'm about to leave you all behind. I'm feeling so alone. I'm turning down my tone. Before the rise of sun, I will be gone. On my way, I'm never coming back. And I pray never gonna crack. World is calling out tonight, telling me I'll be alright. Lights will guide you through the night. Still hiding in my shell and keeping to myself. I cannot count on anybody else. I'm burning deep inside. I'm giving up the fight. Before the break of dawn, I will be gone. On my way, I'm never coming back. And I pray you're never gonna crack. World is calling out tonight, telling me I'll be alright. Lights will guide you through the night. Hey, 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 on my way, never coming back. And I pray never gonna crack. World is calling out tonight, telling me I'll be alright. World is calling out tonight, telling me I'll be alright. Lights will guide you through the night. On our way.
Si predstavljate, kaj vse bi počeli, imeli, naredili, če bi bili bogati? Zagotovo si to zelo dobro predstavlja naslednji glavni lik muzikala Fiddler on the Roof, Tevi, ki je svoj monolog o slavi in denarju strnil v naslednjo skladbo.
Dear Lord, you made many, many poor people. I realize, of course, it's not a shame to be poor. But it's not great honor either. So, what would have been so terrible if I had a small fortune? If I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dum. All day long I'll biddy biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. If I were a pretty rich idle man, I'll build a big tall house with rooms by the dozen right in the middle of the town. A fine tin roof with real wooden floors below. There would be one long staircase just going up, and one even longer coming down, and one more leading nowhere just for show. I'll fill my yard with chicks and turkeys and geese and ducks for the town to see and hear, squawking just as noisily as they can. And each loud would land like a trumpet on my ear, as if to say, here lives a wealthy man. Oh, if I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dabba. All day long I'll biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. If I were a pretty rich idle man, I see my wife, my golden, looking like a rich man's wife with a proper double chin, supervising the meals to her heart's delight. I see her putting on airs and strutting like a peacock. Oh, what a happy mood she's in! Screaming at her servants day and night. The most important man in town will come to fawn on me. They'll ask me to advise them, like a Solomon the wise. If you please, Rabbitavia, pardon me, Rabbitavia, posing problems that would cross a rabbi's eyes. And it won't make one bit of difference if I answer right or wrong. If you're rich, they think you really know. If I were rich, I'd have that time that I lack to sit in a synagogue and pray, and maybe have a seat by the eastern wall. And I'll discuss the holy books with a learned man several hours every day. And that would be the sweetest thing of all. If I were a rich man, yabba dabba 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 dum. All day long I'll biddy bum. If I were a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work hard. Yabba dabba 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 dum. Lord, who made the lion and the lamb, you decreed I should be what I am. Would it spoil some vast internal plan if I were a wealthy man?
Du Dulaman je gelska beseda za navadno rjavo morsko travo, ki jo je ogromno na irskih obalah. Ko brez znanja gelščine poslušaš skladbo, si le težko predstavljaš, da govori o nabiranju morske trave in o njeni uporabi v kmetijstvu in prehrani. Gremo nazaj na Irsko.
Awaharin vino karna vraholando time Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Dulaman, dulaman, guela Dulaman, dulaman, guela Te chiam pui horena dulaman guela Tabaco cluish pelera dulaman guela Broga braccadovare dulaman guela Tabair da costrussera dulaman guela Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Da didari da Didal 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 didara diridera Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Te chiam qui orella dulaman guela Tabaco cluish pelera dulaman guela Broga braccadovare dulaman guela Tabaco strutti sferela dulaman guela Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Ohor meşlaku hikigo piano kiridi Sheshke no karsiko gango rafanan kira Dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Havai tu menina sa dulaman guela Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabinerin Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabi barabi Dulaman na binabi dulaman guela Dulaman na farige barabi barabi barabinerin
Slovenci smo se v finalih evrovizijskih tekmovanj le 3-krat povzpeli v prvo deseterico. Prvič je to uspelo Dari Švajger, ki nas je na 7. mesto odnesla leta 1995 skladbo Prisluhni mi. No, prav tako upamo, da nam vztrajno prisluškujete na današnjem koncertu iz Karantene do Grajske arene. Prisluhni mi.
Prisluhni mi, v objemu me poglej, zaupaj mi, ko noč te skrije v njej. Priznaj, da tudi ti poljubil sonce bi in sanja. V meni si spremljaš me, zdaj glas le tvoj prebuja se, v žarek tiho si spleten, kot noci zvezdo ti skrivaš se. Meni tliš, zaupaj vanj.
kaj naj storimo s pijanim mornarjem, ali v originalu What Shall We Do with a Drunken Sailor, je morda ena najbolj znanih mornarskih delavnih skladb, ki so obkrožile svet. A njene značilne lastnosti nikakor ne morejo skriti, odkot skladba prihaja. Z Irske, seveda.
Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the morning. Way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises, way, hey, and up she rises early in the morning.
Le kakšno vezo ima stara krščanska himna Amazing Grace z irsko-keltsko ali škotsko kulturo? Ne boste verjeli, a njen avtor John Newton je bil navdahnjen z brodolomom, ki ga je doživel prav pred irsko obalo. kljub temu, da se bližamo koncu, pa bi verjetno lahko ob taki glasbi plesali vse do jutra. Pravšnjo skladbo za vas smo krešendovci našli v muzikalu My Fair Lady iz leta 1956. In kaj pravi glavni lik Eliza? I could have danced all night.
Bet, I couldn't go to bed. My head's too light to try to set it down. Sleep, I couldn't sleep tonight. Not for all the jewels in the ground. I could have danced all night. I could have danced all night and still have begged for more. I could have spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. I'll never know what made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart would light. I only know when he began to dance with me. I could have danced all night. I could have danced all night. I could have danced all night and still have begged for more. I could have spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. I'll never know what made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart would light. I only know when he began to dance with me. I could have danced all night. I never know what made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart would light. I only know when he began to dance with me. I could have danced all night.
Na Euroviziji v Talinu v Estoniji leta 2002 smo Slovenci poskrbeli za pravi šov in zabavo s stevardesami v rdečem. Se jih še spomnite? Sestre so nas obiskale tudi na koncertu evrovizijskih skladb lansko leto, seveda z nepozabno skladbo Samo ljubezen.
Nasmeh in iskrica v oči in Išči sreče, kjer je ni, ko poslušaš, kar srce ti govori. Lahko ti podarim samo ljubezen, eno in edino upanje. Poglej me v oči in lahko si brez skrbi. Vem, da isto čutiš tudi ti. Kar želiš si, to ni gre, to je ljubezen v oči.
Poznaš me bolj kot se ti zdi, čeprav zatiskaš si oči. Ko me gledaš, vidiš to, kar si.
Dolgo časa si iskal, kar si mislil, da je prav, a na koncu le eno boš izbral. Lahko ti podarim samo ljubezen, eno in edino upanje. Poglej me v oči in lahko si brez skrbi. Vem, da isto čutiš tudi ti. Lahko ti podarim samo ljubezen, eno in edino upanje. Poglej me v oči in lahko si brez skrbi. Saj jo v srcu čutiš tudi ti. Saj jo v srcu čutiš tudi ti.
Čas pa je, da se malo vrnemo v čas mladosti. Vsak med nami je vsaj enkrat videl Levjega kralja, če ne prej, pa lansko leto, ko je doživel prenovo na filmskih platnih. Nam se je v srce najbolj vtisnila skladba He lives in you, ki smo jo zapeli na Škofjeloškem gradu leta 2017.
Night and the spirit of life calling. Mommy love and the voice with the fear of a child and swear. There's no mountain too great. Hear these words and heaven. Mommy love you. Have faith. He lives in you. He lives in me. He watches over everything you see. Into the water, into the truth, in your reflection. He lives in you.
Verjamem, da znova ujeli se bomo nagrado na tradicionalnem koncertu leta 2021. Za danes vam z domačega naslanjača v obdobje vašega doma zaključne pozdrave pošiljamo člani glasbenega društva Crescendo, ki smo vam prinesli skladbe iz Karantene do Grajske arene.
Iz globin čez nebo rišem sonce preko sale znam. Mečem luč v njegove sence, ki slovo jemljejo brez spomina z luknjami kot med nami, da odteče pisem časa. Verjamem, da znova ujela se bova in včeraj za zmeraj se vrne z reko luči. Še pesem, našla si pot podorim, če grem za čutim, da gorim do dna, mi glas tvojo mogo, vendar pa samil mi ne bo. Veter vidim za zdaj.